top load machine. When we overload our machines, we run into some problems, whether it be suspension problems, overall cleaning of our clothes, or sometimes we'll have items end up in our pump area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to load this up right now with some dark items. And what I'm going to make sure to do is I'm going to make sure to kind of spread them out through the bottom of the drum here, just to give it a little even distribution. And then I'm going to make sure is to push it back beyond this stainless steel tub area, right where my hand is. And I also want to make sure there's a little bit of room height-wise in here. We don't want to overload it. We don't want to put a week's worth of clothes in this machine. Nobody likes to do laundry, I understand that. But the problem is we overload this machine. Things sometimes can prevent the door, clothes can prevent the door from closing properly, which can damage our door lock. Or items get in between this boot seal. And if they get in between this boot seal, what's going to happen? They're going to end up down in this pump area, this pump clean out area. All front loaders have a pump clean out area, and it's usually located down in the bottom right corner. Some of them are exposed, or some of them are behind a panel, which is what this Whirlpool is. So what you have to do is you actually have to pull this panel off, open this up, put a pan underneath to capture the water, and then just clean out any loose items that may be in there. But we want to make sure to clean out our pockets. So make sure we empty out so that we don't have any wrappers or any coins or anything like that left in our pockets. So it's best just to pull them inside out. And we want to make sure on jackets, zip them up so that the zippers aren't hanging out, because that can tear our boot seal. The other thing I want to go over is actually the amount of detergent being used in our high efficiency machines, especially our front loaders. What I've got is 2 to 3 tablespoons of high efficiency detergent. And the way it's signified as high efficiency, there's a little HE symbol on it. And there's quite a few different brands that have it. Tide, All, Fab, many different brands are high efficiency today. So we don't want to use more than 2 to 3 tablespoons. You can use liquid or powder. Put it in our detergent cup, which is signified by pulling it out, and on the left side typically is where we put our detergent. We also have an area for fabric softener and bleach. Fabric softener, we don't want to use more than 2 to 3 tablespoons, and we want to make sure we dilute it with water. So dilute it in your cup and go ahead and pour it in the fabric softener area. Now, if you like to use dryer sheets in our dryer, forget it, because what they do, they put a sheen on our lint filter. This lint filter gets cleaned every 2 to 3 loads. And when we use dryer sheets in our dryer, it's going to end up putting a sheen and preventing the lint from actually being captured here. So if you like dryer sheets, switch to fabric softener. They'll do similar things. If you have any questions, please feel free to visit our website, www.donsappliances.com, or feel free to contact us at any of our 5 Pittsburgh locations. Thank you.